Abbreviate. Abbreviate.
Shorten. Shorten.
Synonym. Reduce. Abridge. Truncate. Contract. Antonym. Lengthen. Expand. Elongated.
We had to abbreviate the names of the states.
Abdicate. Abdicate.
Abandon. Abandon.
Synonym. Retire. Resign. Quit. Antonym. Accept. Take on. King Edward VIII abdicated the British throne in 1936. Abettor. Abettor.
Accomplice. Accomplice.
Synonym. Supporter. Collaborator. Antonym. Foe.
The abettor of an offense may also be liable to punishment.
Ability. Ability.
Capacity. Capacity.
Synonym. Potential. Capacity. Expertise. Aptitude. Antonym. Inability. Incapacity.
The manager had lost his ability to motivate the players.
Ablaze. Ablaze.
Furious.
Synonym. Ignite. Burning. Antonym. Extinguished.
The house was ablaze, and the flames and smoke could be seen for miles around.
Ablution. Ablution.
Washing.
Synonym. Cleansing. Purification. Decontamination. Antonym. Contamination. Pollution. Defilement.
He performed his ablution before the ritual.
Abnegation. Abnegation.
Denial. Denial.
Synonym. Renunciation. Abdicate. Refusal. Antonym. Acceptance.
To ignore these issues would be a serious abnegation of responsibility.
Abnormal. Abnormal.
Unnatural. Unnatural.
Synonym. Unusual. Anomalous. Antonym. Normal. Common.
They thought his behavior was abnormal.
Abolition. Abolition.
Cancellation. Cancellation.
Synonym. Scrapping. Elimination. Repeal. Antonym. Retention. Creation.
They declared for the abolition of slavery.
Abort. Abort.
End. End.
Synonym. Terminate. Discontinue. Antonym. Continue. Complete.
The doctor had to abort the baby. The decision was made to abort the mission.
Abortive. Abortive.
Unsuccessful. Unsuccessful.
Synonym. Failed. Futile. Antonym. Successful. Fruitful.
We had to abandon our abortive attempts.
Abrogate. Abrogate.
Repeal, abolish. Repeal, abolish.
Synonym. Revoke. Cancel. Rescind. Antonym. Introduce.
The president abrogate an old law.
Abruptly. Abruptly.
Sudden. Or unexpected.
Synonym. Hasty. Unanticipated. Antonym. Gradual. polite,
The path ends off abruptly. She left the room abruptly without explanation.
absolute, absolute,
Complete. Complete.
synonym, entire, thorough, antonym, partial, qualified,
I have absolute faith in her judgment.
absolved, absolved,
Pardoned. Pardoned.
synonym, exonerate, forgive, antonym, blame, condemn, punish,
She was absolved of blame in the matter.
absorbing, absorbing,
Engrossing. Engrossing.
synonym, fascinating, enthralling, antonym, boring, uninteresting,
He had a great faculty for absorbing information.
abuse, abuse,
Scorn. Scorn.
synonym, ill-treat, exploit, antonym, compliment, flatter, adulate,
Abuse can lead to both psychological and emotional problems.
abysmal, abysmal,
Bottomless. Bottomless.
synonym, dreadful, awful, antonym, superb,
The film was so abysmal that I fell asleep.
accessories, accessories,
Attachments. Attachments.
synonym, addition, add-on, antonym, main, integral,
Appropriate shoes are also purchased, as are other accessories.
acclaim, acclaim,
Praise. Praise.
synonym, applaud, cheer, commend, antonym, criticize,
She deserves the acclaim he has received.
accountable, accountable,
Answerable. Answerable.
synonym, responsible, liable, antonym, irresponsible, unaccountable,
I am accountable to my superiors for my actions.
accoutrements, accoutrements,
Equipment. Equipment.
synonym, kit, apparatus,
How he loved these accoutrements of the game.
accrue, accrue,
Accumulate. Collect. Accumulate. Collect.
synonym, result, arise, antonym, disperse, scatter,
Interest will accrue if you keep your money in a savings account.
accurate, accurate,
Precise. Correct. Precise. Correct.
synonym, exact, meticulous, antonym, inaccurate,
The report was accurate and well balanced.
accurately, accurately,
Correctly. Correctly.
synonym, precisely, on the mark, antonym, imprecise, inexact,
You didn't measure the angle accurately.